This little piggy
Market.
to market.
Piggy market.
Piggy market. This little piggy stayed.
Home.
This little piggy had.
Beef.
This little piggy had. And this little piggy went all the way home.
More.
More? Okay, let's do it one more time. This little piggy went to. This little piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed.
Gentle, gentle. There you go. Hold her head.
Piggy.
Oh, get your finger out of her ear.
A bag. Bag.
You have a burp rag. It's right there. She doesn't need it right now. Oh, she does now.
Us now. Today. Piggy magnet. Piggy. Magnet.
Little piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed.
Can
you tell the camera bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.